So hello again and welcome to the lecture 3 of our module 1 of our pin heroes. And in this lecture we will create your Pinterest account. To make all the steps more clear, I will do all the steps with you. Before we start, I want to make a very important distinction. What we'll be making now is Pinterest a business account. So why the business and not the regular account? The business account is different from the personal account with a few things, and I'm gonna show you these few things that are actually different. Let's go into the differences. Yeah, this is a bit simple, but this is the simplified version of how the business and personal accounts are different. First, is analytics, and business account gives you detailed analytics of your pins and helps you decide on what to concentrate more and what to ignore. This is the huge thing because it allows you to basically A/B test your pins and get the best results with them and find out the best layouts that works for you. Plus, it can give you a dynamic picture of how your pins are working in time, which is extremely difficult, extremely important for your business to understand what actually works again and what doesn't work. This can be a difference between making a huge sales and making no sales at all. Man, for that matter, it can be difference between driving a huge amount of traffic to whatever the web page you want to not driving traffic at all. Another important thing, the important difference between personal and the business account is the availability of ads. Unfortunately, on personal accounts, on the regular personal accounts, the ads are not available. And for business account, ads are actually available. I don't myself use ads on Pinterest. All of the things, all of the Pinterest growth that I have done on my Pinterest is done through a regular growth. It's all of the organic traffic. But if I used ads, probably I could gain way more than I did now. But this is just good option to be left with. So if you want to use Pinterest ads, I think the business account is the way to go. You can purchase an ads and just go however big you want with your budget. If you have no budget, still there's no problem. All of the things that I'm teaching you in this course is targeted towards creating your Pinterest growth without any money spent, or at least with a small money spent, because you may need, actually, this is not 100% necessary, but you may need to spend just a little bit of money to just fuel your growth, just a little bit, but no ads. Well, we're going all organic here. So another thing that is very important is the layout. When you go to the Pinterest, I will show you, like on my Pinterest, you're gonna basically get this layout with a business account, like separate boards, separate pins, and which looks pretty nice. That just people would understand that it's more friendly for the individuals to get what this Pinterest is all about. The regular personal Pinterest is not getting this type of layout, which is more concentrated on the pins themselves rather than on the boards and everything else, on activity, on followers. This is personal account is not concentrated on that. So you know what we're gonna do. Enough talking. I'm just gonna go and create a Pinterest account with you. You can follow me the steps and see and just go step by step with me, or just you can wait till I finished with my Pinterest account creation and then do it yourself. I haven't done actually Pinterest account creation since I created my Pinterest account a few months ago, but still I'm pretty sure I can make the Pinterest account without any problem. So let's start with this one. I'm gonna create. So first things first, I'm gonna do it on my incognito tab because I have my own Pinterest account open there. So we're gonna go to Pinterest.com here. No, I don't wanna So we're gonna go to Pinterest.com here, and you're gonna see this picture on the Pinterest.com. Of course, I will show you every single link in the description of the lecture, so you just go press and just go without any problem, so you would not make any spelling mistakes. You probably know how to get to Pinterest.com if you're looking if you're learning this course, but if you don't, not a problem as well. I'm gonna do that for you. As you can see, this is how you enter to your Pinterest account. You can go with the Facebook, with the Google, or just write an email and password just to go within your Pinterest. But you see, there is one single button that we need to pay attention to, and this is the Create Business Account. We're gonna press this one because all of you can just create personal account and transform your personal accounts later. I can show you this information as well later, but for now we're gonna concentrate on creating brand new account. So let's go to the Create Business Account, and as you can see, all the transformed is that you don't have an access with a Facebook or with your Google accounts. That's it. So we're gonna create account. Our email is not this one. Our email is pinheroes@gmail.com. As a password, we'll have I don't know, one. Okay, let's go with this one. This is a random password. We're gonna create an account. Press create account. After that, just enter your email or your password. Okay, we're gonna choose your language and the country. We're gonna go with English US, and we're gonna go. This is by the way, this is my country, Georgia. We're gonna choose United States. Where is United States? Okay, United States. It doesn't actually matter which country you choose for yourself, but probably just choosing United States, no matter where you are, just would be the best option. Press next. You're gonna give your business profile a name. So we're gonna continue with the naming in the next lectures, but let's call it for now Pin Heroes. Pin Heroes. It's for me. You call it whatever you want, and we're gonna return to the naming of your actual profile later, and we're gonna use a mobile version of Pinterest as well for that, for some reasons that I will tell you in the next lectures. But let's continue with this right now. You can return to any of this later, and it's not a problem. We just need to go through it. Okay, what are your business goals? This is actually not important for now, so we're gonna just press skip because we don't need that. Link to your website. Well, again, we don't need that, so press later. We're gonna do it later. You can claim your Instagram, your Etsy, and your YouTube accounts here if you have Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube accounts that you want to work with your Pinterest. That I highly recommend you to do that. Just press the claim and just continue with whatever it will show you. This is extremely simple. You don't need to actually see these things. I'm gonna press just later. Will be running ads on Pinterest? We're gonna press this. I'm not sure yet. Not a problem. So choose a topic. Now you're gonna choose just one topic that you want to go with. I'm gonna choose just a random topic. Let's go with an education, and just done. It will just give you. It will just help you to create your first, to give you your first recommendation. So get your. It will show you as well to get a browser button that will be easier for you to save your pin ideas for the later. I'm not using actually for myself, but you can do it. You can just press get it now, and it will just install the browser extension for you. It will just have a pin it button on every picture that you will see on your Chrome browser, but probably maybe you are not using a Chrome browser, so I'm just gonna press skip, and basically that is it. You have now created your own Pinterest account, and this is just showing you that you can just upload your pins. We're just not gonna do that. We're gonna press home, and that's it. That's it. You have your own Pinterest account. This is as simple as that. It's extremely simple to create your own Pinterest business account. It's not a problem. So we can see that we have settings here. Everything is created without a problem. You have your username. You have like account settings. And everything is simply working. You have your own Pinterest account without a single problem. Plus, as you can see, we have an analytics button here, which is not available for the personal account. So this is extremely useful for us. So guys, this will be it for today. This is how you actually create your Pinterest account. If you want, just go directly to the business account. You just go to business.pinterest.com. You don't need that actually anymore, because in the past you would need to go to that website to register for your business Pinterest account. You now just press create business account and that's it. It's not a problem. So this will be it for today. That's all you need to know about creating registering your Pinterest business account. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to claim your website for your Pinterest and how to apply for the rich pins. Again, Pinterest doesn't like to hurry, so wait a bit, at least until next lecture, before making any additional steps. So thank you again for your attention, and see you in the next lecture. Take care.